Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE to Lite, and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the privacy section. Then here click to hide apps and click setup. Now we just should set here the password or just PIN code or just pattern. So I want to use the different password type, not 6 digits, so I'll use the pattern, for example. Now I'll enter the pattern here twice. Now we just should set here the security question answer. So for example, I'll enter hard reset, click here to OK and tap to start. Now we just hide here some apps. For example, let's use so we should set here the access code, click here to settings, and we can make it between 1 or 16 digits. For example, I'll make just from 1 to 4. Then just click here to OK, tap to done, and by this way we can hide our applications. Here we can see all of the hidden here in hidden section. And now, for example, when we'll open the apps menu, we can't see those applications anymore here. So after that, if you wanna just unhide them, click here again to hide apps, click under privacy password and click on the switchers to unhide them. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.